What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at BABA 2 times a week, every Wednesday and every Friday. So let's take a look at what happened since Wednesday. You can see that price did not move up higher on Thursday, and today we collapsed lower towards that $70 level. So it looks like price is not trying to make a second leg up. As of right now, we can still see a second leg up. That's generally what occurs after price breaks out of a level, which was that breakout point of the $80 level. So we saw one attempt for the bulls to come back inside that yellow range, and it failed. We can still see the second attempt. This is about a 50% retracement of this green channel. So we could still see further upside occur. But if that doesn't occur, then we're probably just going to see, continue selling towards the downside, which was going to occur regardless. Because it would take a lot of bullish pressure for price to break through that $80 level. So even if we did do that two-leg pattern up, something like that, price most likely would have continued lower anyways. So again, there's just a lot more bearish signs on the chart than bullish signs. I mean, there's three ways you can look at this: bullish, bearish, and neutral. Now, which one is it leaning towards? I would say it's leaning towards the downside because we have measure move targets in play. You can see that this was the prior leg down right over here. This is the start of the second leg. The bears are attempting to reach the 52. Then we have this leg right over here. This is one leg down. This is the start of the second leg. And this is at the 59. You can see that price is below the EMA, is making lower lows, lower high. It's in below this downward trend line. It's inside this orange channel. And the bulls can't even get above the EMA and make that second leg up. So again, it's very weak looking chart. Most likely it's going to continue selling off. Even if we do see some short-term upside, it's most likely not going to turn into anything crazy as of right now. I'm not expecting that to occur. Can it occur? No one knows for sure. It's just basically what I see on the chart and picking out of the three options which option most likely can occur. So I guess it's going to be more downside in the long term for BABA. It's not looking good right now. Even if we do see a little bit of short-term upside, which is looking unlikely, we could probably just continue to roll down lower. So that's all I have for BABA. It looks like the earnings report is coming up. Not sure if that's accurate or not. The last one was sometime November, and this one estimated to be January 31st. So most likely February-ish. Let me see when the last one occurred. The last one occurred 23rd February. So it looks like the earnings likes to come out on the 24th, 23rd. So sometime end of February will most likely be the next earnings report. Either way, BABA's been beating earnings. You can see this since practically 2022 when it reported February, and it's been 2 years, and they've been beating earnings report, but price has been still going lower and lower. So again, it doesn't even really matter at that point because the chart, the technicals are overriding the fundamentals, and it looks bearish. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. This week is looking like a big red candle. And again, like I said before, we could still see a second leg up, but I mean, we could probably not either. So I would just still be leaning towards the downside regardless, even if we do see a second leg up. It's not going to mean anything unless we see a massive amount of buying occur. Price will still be bearish because it will be below the EMA and below the $80 level and below this downward trend line with measurement targets in play. So again, overall, BABA is still trending lower. It's probably coming back to the all-time lows. Maybe we'll get a double bottom off that level right here at the high 50s. If not, I don't have anything on the left side of the chart to compare it to. So maybe, hopefully, that will be the bottom for the buyers. But until then, this is going to be just, slowly grinding its way down. And then maybe it'll eventually reverse towards the upside. Because, price is outside of this blue channel, which is a good sign. And then price broke it, is getting shallower, the downtrend. So I'm pretty sure, this downtrend is going to come to an end maybe this year. There's a good chance for that because we're right near the all-time lows. And we broke outside of the downtrend channel, which shows signs of weakness for this downtrend. So probably sometime this year, we'll probably get a bottom. I can't guarantee that, but that's what the chart is telling me. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.